peek into the world of paleo, where the focus is on natural, unprocessed foods. A 7-day meal plan designed to reduce belly fat is on the menu today. Day 1. Kickstart with a breakfast of scrambled eggs and avocado. Lunch is grilled chicken salad. Dinner, let's enjoy some salmon with sweet potatoes. Day 2, it's a breakfast of paleo pancakes. Lunch features a robust beef stew. Dinner is a spicy shrimp stir-fry. Day 3, begin with a breakfast of fruit salad. Lunch is a hearty vegetable soup. Dinner, savor the flavors of roasted turkey. Day 4, start with a breakfast of almond butter on apple slices. Lunch is a zesty chicken wrap. Dinner is a succulent steak with asparagus. Day 5, a breakfast of berry smoothie. Lunch is a tasty tuna salad. Dinner, relish a mouth-watering lamb roast. Day 6, it's a breakfast of egg muffins. Lunch features a savory chicken curry. Dinner is a delicious pork chop with veggies. Day 7, begin with a breakfast of banana pancakes. Lunch is a satisfying beef stir-fry. Dinner, feast on a sumptuous seafood platter. This 7-day paleo meal plan is not just about weight loss, it's about embracing a healthier lifestyle. So, say goodbye to processed foods and hello to nature's bounty. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Until next time, take care.